Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos and guide videos to help you guys. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Binance wallet account. So it's pretty simple. Before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's move on in today's video. So if you guys want a free $10 bonus while signing up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description so you guys can get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. So you guys want a free $10, then you can use our referral link in the description to sign up. Now, to log in into your Binance wallet account, basically what you want to do is you want to go to this website called binance.org. You want to go to this website binance.org/en. Go to it. You want to click on where it says wallet. Click on it. Now you want to choose which wallet you have. So we have a Binance wallet, so I'm going to click on Binance Chain Wallet and click on continue. Now it's going to take you to your Google's extension. So to log in into your Binance wallet, you need to have it on your extension. So I'm going to add it on my Google's extension by clicking on add to Chrome. Add extension, wait for some time, and it should be added. And after it's added to your extension, now to open it, you want to click on this puzzle looking icon. Click on Binance Chain Wallet. Once you click on it, you want to click on use existing wallet. Click on it. Now you want to choose from which method you want to log in. So choose the one which you chose when you created your wallet. So I created the seed phrase, so I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to paste my phrase over here and enter my password over here as well, my new password, and enter my confirming password again and click on continue. After doing that, you want to click on get started, and as you guys can see, I've logged in into my account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So you need to remember your seed phrase and your password and you're good to go. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future Binance related videos and other crypto related videos. And I will see you guys another time. Bye bye and have a nice day.